The Boys Season 3 has been all about new factions forming as the teams and surrogate families that Carl Urban's Billy Butcher and Anthony Starr's Homelander built around themselves fractured and split. The revelation that original superhero Soldier Boy was still alive changed the hierarchy of power in the Boys universe, as Homelander suddenly had an opponent to fear, and Butcher had the weapon he needed to finally kill his nemesis. However, the penultimate episode delivered the bombshell that Homelander was created from Soldier Boy's DNA, giving the two titans all the reason in the world to bond, instead of battle. Sit back and watch as we take a look at everything that took place in Season 3. Season 3 Final Recap. The finale episode, The Instant White Hot Wild, begins with Homelander still trying to process his revelatory phone call with Soldier Boy, even as Vought faces the storm of controversy over Erin Moriarty's Starlight outing Homelander for his murderous mayhem and revealing to the world that Soldier Boy is still alive. Hearing that Soldier Boy is essentially his dad makes Homelander get sentimental, so he uses the info from Victoria Neumann to track down his own son Ryan, where Mallory is hiding him. This time, Ryan is far more susceptible to Homelander's impassioned plea about family, as he hears it coming from his father, a role Butcher cruelly passed on. Starlight's other big reveal to the world, that Maeve has been kidnapped or killed by Vought, only causes a deeper schism in the American public. As pro- and anti-Homelander factions clash outside Vought HQ, Ashley and Deep, played by Colby Minifi and Chase Crawford respectively, take the initiative of quietly moving the imprisoned Maeve off the company premises. That turns out to be a foolish miscalculation because Maeve escapes. Meanwhile, the boys rally to finish their mission to take out Homelander and Black Noir, bringing justice to Butcher and Soldier Boy. The team's various subplots of both personal and interpersonal conflicts need to be smoothed out, as only the boys can. Frenchie and MM bond and find solace in one another. Butcher tries to be a more noble man by knocking Huey, played by Jack Quaid, out and leaving him behind at a gas station, rather than let him take any more Temp V and get himself killed. Over at Vought, the Seven are having a similar reality check moment. A-Train has to face both his crippled brother and Homelander over killing Blue Hawk in a rage. The Deep and Ashley have to answer to Homelander for losing Maeve. And Black Noir bravely returns to the team after running in fear of his former teammate Soldier Boy coming for actual payback. Homelander handles it all in true Homelander fashion. He rips Noir's guts out for keeping the secret about Soldier Boy all these years, then horribly cows his entire team as insignificant lessers. Homelander gets some kind of use out of the Deep by sending him to assassinate a US senator, hoping to become vice president right in his own pool, clearing the way for Neumann's rise. After Butcher takes off with Soldier Boy to kill Homelander, and Noir Starlight picks up Huey, and they reconvene with Maeve and the remaining boys' members. There's debate about whether to make saving Butcher part of the mission, and Huey is the only one with enough love left to do it. Butcher and Soldier Boy bond over their messed up dads and unreliable team bonds as they wait to do battle. In the final scene, Ryan watches Homelander brutally laser a protester in front of a public crowd in broad daylight and gets adored for it. Ryan's creepy smile hints that he's ready to follow in Homelander's footsteps. The Boys Season 3 Review. Without a doubt, The Boys Season 3 finale delivered the biggest and best battle sequence the series has ever done. And that's really saying something after the epic tag team match during the Herogasm episode. The number of combatants, stunt work and use of space was top-notch work, not to mention all the movie-level VFX work that was done. That all said, The Instant White Hot Wild confirmed one big drawback to The Boys Season 3, the lack of any real substantial plot advancement. This season was all about character evolution, and we certainly got ticks of that in Kamiko and Huey learning to be okay with having power. That's all for this video. Hope you enjoyed watching the recap and review. Thanks for watching.